Hi, welcome to Coding Bible channel. In this video, I will talk about the difference between platform browser dynamic and platform browser, and the new one, which is Bootstrap application. But before you watch this video, it's important to watch the video number 1 and video number 2 in the appendix of this course. Let's start by the first two. These two actually creates an object of the type platform reference. Okay, this platform object contains all the tools that we need, the initialization of all the tools that we need. For example, the injector that is used in dependency injection. Of course, we will explain what is dependency injection, but not in this video. Okay, but it's just a tool we are using in Angular. Okay, and both of them then use the function bootstrap module to initialize or to determine or initialize the root module. However, the difference between both of them is that platform browser dynamic use the GIT compilation mode. Okay, and browser or platform browser use the AOT compilation mode. Okay, so in Angular versions before Angular 17, platform browser dynamic is the default method used in main.ts, and this is logic because GIT is better in development time. But the question is, when we need to build our application in the production mode, do we need to change the platform browser dynamic to a platform browser? No, actually, Angular do this for us automatically. You don't have to do it by yourself. So now let's explain Bootstrap application. This function doesn't return a platform reference, it returns application reference. So what's exactly the difference? We will not explain it in more details, but platform reference just it's about the environment. For example, the application works on server or on what's environment. Okay, and application reference, it is a reference for the application itself. It doesn't do anything with the environment. Okay, but actually both of them contain the tools that we need. And in Bootstrap application, Angular uses GIT in development and AOT in production. So don't worry, it's just become automatic. And actually the application bootstrapping become more efficient. Also the tree shaking process in this function is enhanced. So what is actually tree shaking? Tree shaking is removing the unused code from your application. For example, if we delete this, you find that we added import code. We imported both of them, but actually we didn't use them. So Angular will remove this for you in the tree shaking process. And the tree shaking process is enhanced in the Bootstrap application function. Okay, so this is just a small difference between them. And I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching.